Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. So we are back with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, and this is the second video review for this new fitness tracker from Xiaomi. Our first video is all about the design, specs, and the preview of the UI. On this video, we are going to focus more on the menus and features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So if you are interested to check to see the offered features that is available on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, watch this video. And again, like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the features of this wearable. Here on the packaging, let me show to you the features here. So we do have the 1.47-inch ultra large screen display, an all-day blood oxygen monitoring. We do have 50 sports mode. We are going to check this later on. We do have a smooth refresh rate, scientific sleep monitoring, up to 18 days of battery life, and all-day heart rate monitoring, and of course it is waterproof up to 5 ATM. Bluetooth 5.3 based on the details here, BLE. Bluetooth 5.3 BLE with the model number M2435B1. Okay, so enough with the details for the wearable on the specs. Let's explore the UI of our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So we have here our watch face. So there are two options here. Again, we have 1 and 2. Okay, on top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the different menus. On the right side we have the shortcut to the settings and options for your wearable. We also have here a flashlight. On the left side we have the different cards. So far we only have 2 here, music and weather. I don't know if you can add more, okay, with the use of the support app. Okay, on our menus and features, we have here the workout history. We have the daily statistics. This is the activity tracking. We have the calorie, steps, okay, and the time. We have the heart rate, the blood oxygen monitoring. We have the sleep monitoring, stress monitoring. We have weather report, events, Bluetooth music control, camera control, alarm. We also have here a stopwatch, a timer, find phone, and the settings. For the settings, let's see. We do have here band display, that is the watch face. Display option, we have auto lock for 5 seconds, 20, up to 5 minutes. Going back, we have a brightness option. Let's see, so this is the brightest screen or level. Raise to wake and cover to sleep. Do not disturb mode, vibration mode, turn off, or standard. So there's no speaker for this one. There's no Bluetooth call support, or I guess there's no beeping sound when you receive a notification. Only vibration. We have a password, battery, an option for the ultra battery saver. Okay, let's check. 29 days and 6 hours remaining once turned on. Okay, so almost 1 month if you set the ultra battery saver. If not, you do have 14 days and 11 hours. That's very good. Still pretty good compared to other wearable. You have the system here, reboot, power off, connect new, and reset. we have about Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active. So it is running the Xiaomi Hyper OS, similar to other fitness tracker and smartwatches by Xiaomi. Going back to the menus and features, we have here the workout. It says here that this fitness tracker has at least 50 sports modes. So let's check on that. Yeah, we have outdoor running, walking, freestyle. Okay, so here are the details. So we have here the categories. Outdoor activities, about 8 items. Trainings, 23 items. We have ball sports, 12 items. Winter sports and recreational sports. Seems like we have a swimming. Okay, so we don't have that one. Okay, recreational sports, let's check. None. There's no swimming sports function. Training, let's see. Or this is more about weightlifting. Okay, there's no swimming feature for the wearable, but we do have a very good list of sports function, at least 50 sports function for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active. Okay, so that's it for the offered menus and features for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active. If you are interested to see additional details about this wearable, subscribe to our channel, as we will have more information and demo for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active. Bye.